Good day guys. Today I will show you how to make this GUI calculator or calculator. This calculator is like a normal calculator. It goes like this. Yeah, it works like a normal calculator. So I will show you how to do it here in uh, Java NetBeans IDE. So first create a file, then new project. Then I have a project here, so let's get started. So first things first is we're gonna import Java X Swing, Java AWT, and Java AWT event. So Java X Swing is to show or to make GUI work, and then Java AWT provides GUI. So si Java AWT ay nagpo-provide ng GUI. Then kumbaga si Java X-Swing yung nag-execute nung GUI. Then si Java AWT event, um, siya yung nag-handle kay Java AWT at Java X-Swing. So kapag dapat silang tatlo ay magkakasama. Kung di sila magkakasama, hindi gagana yung GUI. Ito. Hindi gagana yan. Then next is sa public class GUI cal add implements action listener. So si implements action listener ay nag-hold ng function buttons. So kapag wala si action listener or implements action listener, hindi gagana si ating calculator. Then kapag nilagay mo na yan, nailagay na yan, normal lang na may lalabas na ganito na override public void action perform action event E. Kailangan yan, need yan. Then next, JFrame. Si JFrame is ito yon, yung ating calculator. Then si JText field, dito lalabas yung mga kino-compute natin. Like for example, this 3, dito siya magdi-display. Then si JButton, number buttons, JButton, number buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 0. Then function buttons, si addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, equal, decimal, negative, delete, clear. Then ayun na siya. Ito yon. Then JPanel. So si JPanel ang mag-show ng ating number buttons and function buttons. So itong image na to, mamaya ko i-explain yan. So para lang siya dito sa custom icon. Then font, my font equals new font, Javanese text. So itong Javanese text na to is default na siya dito sa NetBeans. Dito mo siya makikita. So ayan, font bold para mas ma-emphasize natin yung itsura ng buttons, para mas malinaw siyang makita. Then ang size niya, font size niya is 20. So 20 para sakto lang yung itsura niya, hindi siya masyadong malaki, hindi siya masyadong maliit. Then double num1, num2 and result. Num1 is first digit and num2 is second digit, then result is the result. Then char operator. So kailangan natin yan para mapagana natin tong mga operators na to. Then next is maglalagay na tayo ng frame. Frame equals new JFrame GUI calculator. So itong statement na to is ito yan. Pag gagawa ka ng JFrame, ito yung title yung GUI calculator, yung statement dito sa JFrame. So ito na yan, dito na siya lalabas sa GUI calculator na title. Then frame dot get content pane, set background color light gray. Ito optional yan. So pag naglagay ka nan is magkakaroon ng kulay yung iyong frame. So ayan, light gray ang nilagay, sinet kong kulay. So light gray din ang lalabas dito sa frame. Then frame dot set default close operation, JFrame exit on close. So para ma-close natin siya, Then mamaya na set icon kasi associated siya dun sa custom icon. Then set size. So set size, ito yung kumbaga resolution ng GUI. So yung resolution ko is 430 by 560. Then frame.set layout null, pwede ka mamili dyan kung manual or null or etc. Then text field, here's the text field. This is where the results are getting shown. So text field set bounds is the size of the text field. So I set mine to 45, 30, 320 and 45. Then set the font to my font. This is my font. So you can use this font for your default font for other frames. Then set editable to false. I set this to false, and it's required to set it as false to avoid editing of the frame or the panel. Then you can add button, add new J button. There you add the operation signs. Dito na magdadagdag nun, pati function buttons. Then gagamit tayo ng for loop sa function buttons. So we're gonna use for loop to avoid using these operations only once. So we're gonna use loop to avoid it, to use it as many times as we want. So for int I equals 0, I then 9 is the number of our function buttons. Then I increment 1. The function button add action listener this. So we're gonna use add action listener because we use action listener here, there. Then set font, we use our font. Then set focusable to false. So same for the number buttons. We're gonna use for loop. We use 10 here because our number of number buttons is 10. Then I increment 1. Then we're gonna use a string variable. Then add action listener again. Then set font, set focusable to false. Then we're gonna add these buttons, the negative, delete, and clear. So we're gonna set bounds, set size, or set size. This is my default size for the negative, delete, and clear buttons. Then jpanel. So jpanel siya yung maghahawak na itong mga numbers na to, tsaka operations. You can you can set size here. This is my size for the panels. Then layout, choose the grid layout, spacings, etc. Then set background. I set mine to white. So here, as you can see, I have white background color in panels. Then this is the arrangements of the buttons. Then this is corresponding to their rows. So 1, 2, 3, and add button here, first row. Then number buttons 4, 5, 6, and sub, here's their row. Then so on and so forth. Yan. Then frame add panel, so we can show the panel here. It's the panel. Then frame add negative button. This is the negative button. Delete, clear. Then text field, then true to for us to see it. Then this is the important part, or operational part of the calculator. So here we're gonna use the for loop again, and number buttons, so we can use it unlimited. We put I 10 and increment 1, 10 because the number of number buttons. Then we use a string variable here. Then in the decimal button we use concat because the character of decimal button is different from the other operation buttons, so we use that. then add button num1, the digit one, the first digit, then double parse double text field, then operator, we're gonna set it to addition symbol. So um, we use it for the rest of the like this sub button. We use the operator subtraction symbol, then up to division. So for the equal button, we use num2, then double parse double text field get text. Then yeah, then we use a switch statement here. Switch statement is to select code blocks to be executed. So switch statement acts as multiple it's like multiple choices to choose from, and multiple operations to execute. And um, this is what I code here. So case addition sign, result equals num1 plus num2, break. Then for the rest of other operations, then text field set text, use your string variable of result, you're gonna get the result, then num1 equals result. So why we use num1? So it is used to continue the operation without breaking it. So for example, 5 plus 6 equals 11. You don't need to clear or delete all this 11 and just start like 11 um, minus 6 like that. So you can continue here. Just continue here. So 11.0 minus 6, 5, you get 5. So this is what its purpose. Then if statement, if get source clear button text field, then empty statement, then get source delete button. This is where you modify the delete button. We use a string variable, then we use for loop to because we want to use is we want to use it unlimited, so we use for loop. Then if negative button, then we use temp here and double parse double. Then temp is set to -1, the value of temp is -1. Then text field set text field, use string variable value of temp, which is -1. So that's what the calculator made of. So for the image, this is an easy one. You don't need to put a lot of effort in here. So let me show you how to do it. Here in GUI class folder, we go to properties. Then here this it's the important part. So you go to source package folders, not here, not in test package, source package, then add folder. If you have don't if you don't have a rest folder, you can add folder. Then use here you can add create folder like res. Then after created that, you go okay. Then okay, then yeah, then there you go. If you have res, then grab a picture here, that you have downloaded, then it will show here in default package. So I have here my calculator icon. So the code is, you can do it there in after the G panel. So the code goes like this: image icon logo, new image icon, that rest is the path where the image is, then copy the name of the icon or the image, the name of the image, calculator icon. So then this statement is if you want to save your or convert this to another file like jar or etc., you can use this statement: image icon logo equals new image icon, get class loader, get resource, then the name of the image. Then don't forget this. This is to display your that custom image as your custom icon in GUI. So set frame image frame dot set icon image logo dot get image. So yeah, there we go. These are calculator or GUI calculator. So I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from my explanation or video, and I hope you have a good day. uh, Thank you very much for watching, and keep safe.